everybody, it's Neil, and this is going to be part 1 of my Oura ring. I ordered the Oura ring, and that's this thing here that will be coming soon. And what it is it's a little ring that's going to have a little sensors and connect up to my watch and my phone and whatnot and everything, so I can track my fitness. If you've looked, I've lost 20 pounds or so. If you've been watching some of my videos, probably since I started doing this, I've lost 40 or 50 pounds, probably 40 pounds since I started doing reviews. And so at my final weight, don't worry, I'm not going to get super skinny. But so the idea is they send you this kit at first, and you see it came with all these ones. First, I actually tried to 3D print it. This is one of my 3D print ones, which actually printed pretty good, and it was the right size. But it comes with the kit of all the different sizes, and depending on which finger you want to put it on, you can choose the size. I wanted to put it on my index finger on my right hand, and so I found one, and you see it's got the little bumps on there, and the goal is to get it on there. My hands are a little wet, but to get it on there so it slides on fairly easy, and it doesn't come off easy, so if I'm swimming or doing any activity, it won't come off, and it's got the little size right there. And also the goal is to make it so when you twist it, it twists with the skin, excuse me, and doesn't slide off easy. So for me to get this off, kind of a pain. I mean, my hands are a little cold, so it's not too bad now. And if I wanted to switch it to my middle finger, I could. It's going to fit on there. These two fingers are fairly similar in size for me, so I could switch it to those two. This one's a little harder to get off. Actually, it's not too bad to get off now because my hands are so cold. If I was to put it on this finger here, it would be way too loose. You can kind of see the hole through there, and it's just going to twist around, so it's not going to be able to keep sensing my heart rate and whatnot. So the sensors are those little buttons. So I've been trying this out with the little plastic rings that it came with because that was to get the right size. So now that I've got the size that I like, for me it's an 11. And you can see here I took the 11 out of there. If I was to put it on a different finger, it would be a different size. And they said they do it kind of tight, and it's a tight fit, that's for sure. But it feels good. Even when I have it off now, I feel like I still have it on. But the ring should come in a few days, and I will update you guys with how it all works. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back shortly. Hey, I'm back. Okay, and so now I have the Oura ring. So it came and got delivered today. It actually took like 2 days. It was really super quick. But we're gonna open this up and see how it goes. I won't be able to show you necessarily connecting it due to the fact that I'm recording on my phone, but I'll update in the comments how that all goes. But this is what the box looks like here. So a lot of packing materials to make sure it's nice. And there it is, falling all over. So this is what it looks like, and it looks pretty nice. And then I guess it comes with this here, which is going to be the charging base, I'm guessing. This is where you put it at night, or well, not at night, I guess. It's just whenever it needs to be charged. I sleep with it at night. And then this is the wire stuff for it. It's very wrapped up. Holy mackerel. Okay, so it looks like it's just a USB-C wire and a very fancy cardboard box for it. And then the USB-C will connect into here. And this is going to be just regular USB, so it's USB-C to USB. Because it doesn't need a ton of power to charge the thing up like my phone does. And then here's all my instructions for it and whatnot. And it kind of tells you what to do. So I'm gonna go set it up, but this is what the ring looks like. So let me compare on the size and see how it fits. So I'm putting this on my index finger, and it fits about the same as the sample did. So I like it. Very sleek. It's got a little flat top on it. I think the newer one has a rounded version of the top, but it's also like $50 more. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it goes. So that's it, unboxing of this, and seems good so far. Thanks for watching. Bye.